Well,
5 seconds to jump!
Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your squad.
Alright, boys. How about Little Island again? What do you think?
Avoid the gas.
yeah, might as
Get to the
well.
safe zone.
Ain't nothing else to do.
LZ marked. Get ready.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
This does have to be my last one now.
Copy.
Gotta be the end right here.
And
Like I said, I'll be on in the mornings.
same here, for sure, for sure. Oh yeah. I'm probably gonna be on later tonight. I'm fucking go to Tsunami. I've been heavily deep in that fucking game. Which game?
Well,
Go to Tsunami.
you let me know if you get back on later, man. I might be on late tonight. Once the kids all go to bed.
Copy.
And I gotta work tomorrow. Then I'm thinking about working 5 in a row.
Oh. Why'd you do that to yourself?
But then I'll
God,
have
dude.
6 off after that. So
Oh fuck, dude.
that
That
sucks.
that just sounds like ugh.
Sounds brutal, but it sounds fun.
Yeah, that sounds like hell. Hey, someone's going there, Binge.
Enemy in the enemy. Disregard that.
I mean, you still went for it.
That's
Just
alright.
his ass.
Where's he at? I heard him went in the
I
building.
didn't want to start off with a death.
Yeah, his death.
Yeah, I will.
Let's start this party with a bang.
You're a little more likely to end up with a kill.
Right.
Your team has entered the safe zone.
Oh, where did this man go?
There ain't nobody over here for you, I don't think.
I thought somebody did land it over here.
Yeah, he was staying over there by me where I was gonna land, which was at that other area. Got him down.
He left.
Gotta play a little waiting game with him. Piss them off enough.
Planting sonar.
Nowhere nearby.
I know
just-
Activision's looking at my account like this motherfucker a cheating son of a bitch.
They can, yeah,
Maybe. They probably see a fucking lot worse though, I bet.
Probably
Yeah.
so.
They completely unlocked this building. Good.
Got
Gas
loading
mask
money.
Oh, fuck y'all ain't me over there though.
Over
You can always
there.
just come your way.
Yeah, if you want. I mean, I'm still in this big ass building. I didn't realize this whole building was open now.
Yeah, it was not a black
Yeah,
button.
yeah.
If you open,
Man, there's a lot of shit over there. Let's go that way, Free. What do you think?
right behind him.
Yeah, it's pretty badass now that you can go through the whole thing. Let's get our loadie.
Black site is clear. Area secure.
Gas mask.
Momma and Dory.
That was.
Damn.
Did you loot this little small section too? Nope.
I mean, I ain't.
You ain't finished looting everything yet.
Yeah.
Small caliber rounds marked.
It's amazing how big this fucking place actually is now, and it's fucking
Dude,
unlocked.
it really is. Get our loadie. You should have saved that for the loadie.
I got an extra one. I threw that one because I had another one.
Okay,
And
I
there's
got
an armor
you.
box too. Armor box right here for me. I want
Alright, okay, I'll take that.
I'm carrying armor and ammo.
buy station here.
I'll come in right around the corner.
Yeah, I know you need money.
Yeah.
Oh, I got another durable if anybody
Gas
want it.
mask here.
Fuck yeah.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Oh, my bad. Here.
Whee!
Fast as lightning, boys. Rockets
ammo.
away.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Oh, there's that free one.
Back to the 545 this time.
Okay, yeah, Ben, you're gonna have to run your second with a bigger scope. That little scope, I tried it with like a smaller optic, and it
Gas
just
is
wasn't
inbound.
doing just because the
Marking
gun
new
is
safe
so
zone.
big.
Alright.
Plus, I think I need to, it's hard to run it without fast hands, you know?
Yeah.
Told you, fast hands is best.
I,
Cause that's what I'm using.
I like restock. I'm so, you know.
I mean,
Nah,
I get it. Yeah, because I'm used to you guys having restock, so I'm able to run fucking fast hands and be like heavy support.
Yeah.
But no, that's what I'm doing right now with the rockets is fast hands, cause I need to reload that rocket quick.
Yeah, fast hands on the rocket is godlike. Great.
So now I'm the only one running restock. Okay.
I'll be alright.
I gotta remember these smokes.
Doesn't matter. This is the fight right here.
There's loot here.
Really.
Did anybody? No, we have. I say we didn't go to the gulag yet.
Oh.
Come on, somebody fly a chopper, something.
Shit, I'm trying to pick somebody's brain off.
I know you are, but I'm just wanting
Got
to
gas moving
shoot a
in.
chopper out the sky, get somebody on a dirt bike. Dirt bike. Dirt
Trying to piss off
bike.
some more people.
That
Especially
too.
in rank.
Your
Come on,
team
it's
is in
a
the
Friday
safe zone.
night and it's not super sweaty. This is like the great time.
It's Friday the 13th. Come on now, somebody got to die with Jason.
I know, that's the thing. That's why I gotta get off here. I gotta watch a horror movie with the kids.
He.
My girlfriend is gonna be the horror movie.
Yeah, she's dying. I don't know. You should just carve a pumpkin out, make the little face and everything, walk in there with the pumpkin head.
And make her butt a pumpkin.
You stupid. Behind us.
ID on the bounty target.
I knew you gonna go that way. Damn it, I'm stuck in this bit. I gotta get out. Oh, never mind. There's the exit. Is he really? Yes, he is. God damn it. He ain't even that far, is he? Oh, now he's running.
Yeah.
He's running now. There he is. Found him. Top of the building. And a helicopter coming too.
That's his teammates. Hey, shoot that chopper.
I already shot the chopper. Get him! I'm clipping that one too. I aimed on the ground and hit the chopper.
Damn, son. I cannot believe that shit.
Enemy UAV overhead.
That was toxicity to the max right there. I'm sorry.
Still
Oh,
someone
shit.
left. Still someone left.
Ah, shit. Shit. That's why your mom. That's why grandma sucked dick at bingo. Damn it.
Damn it! Throw the fucking smoke,
Let's
you
get what you think.
motherfucker! Wow. Why not throw the fucking smoke? I'm assuming something from
Alright.
behind.
I'm coming.
Watch three, watch it.
Down.
There's two at least.
Shit! I ain't see the other guy.
Squad mate was
I lost the other guy.
They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
I've got you. Hold tight.
I lost the other guy. I don't even know where he at.
Smoke grenade.
He's over there in like the flower pot area.
Probably trying probably resing
Right
up his
there.
teammate. Nope, found him.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Shit. They got me good, alright.
I just found a full loadout class in the fucking buy station. Not but in the ghoulie.
Fight for your chance to redeploy.
This pizza's blossom.
Getting the fuck out of here, boys. I'll see y'all later.
Yeah, he better run that.
Alright, watch out, boys. It's hot as fuck over there now. Hot as fuck over there. I don't know if I would go for that Lodi.
No, I wouldn't. I can work something out.
I mean, they're all around it. I can see you.
Yeah, come on, man, come on.
Hey, you come to me. Circle this way.
Hey, stop!
I already got my Lodi. You come this way,
Oh,
man.
yeah, you didn't die, okay.
Which one are you going to?
He already got his Lodi. You can get it free. You can probably try to get it.
Quick die.
I got you. I got 100 round mag for you.
I hear you. Coming.
Come on.
Got it. Oh shit, truck. Ninja, please. Ah, I died. There's another guy right here. Damn it.
I got it reload. I used all 100 rounds in that one.
Ah, damn it. He is right at the loadout hiding it. Hit that shit, hit it. Oh, that didn't down him? He's right behind that loadout. Good shit. Good shit.
God damn.
Damn. That took a whole lot. It'll be alright. It'll be alright.
I got a plate box and we got an ammo box now too.
And well, keep moving. And a gas mask.
Damn it.
It'll be alright. Keep moving, keep moving.
I have some mid-caliber rounds.
Well, at least I know I'm in gold 1 now, so I'm straight.
Station here.
Our next buy station right up there for your vibe.
That's not my stuff.
Oh, they're over there at it right now.
Yep, let it go.
That's what I have to do right now. I have to use this stuff. Yeah, it's fast enough. It's not mine though. That's yours.
Look in the bathrooms. Don't forget the bathrooms. Like you going, vibe? You going the wrong goddamn direction.
I know, I'm going for my submachine gun.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I wanted my sub because I got a 50 round mag on mine. There's it. I needed a big boom boom. Alright.
Man. Selfie right here.
Wee. Get that.
We're coming up on a spot though here. We're gonna be in wide open territory.
Yeah, we can honestly run straight down the middle, tree line.
Yeah. Here they come. One of them's down. Oh, nice.
Well, that's roadkill.
Yeah, anybody got it?
Woo-wee! God
No
damn,
kind of
good.
redeploy, damn it.
That jug charge hit the first one and then...
The other two jumped out, and that was it.
Yeah, that jug charge fucked their ass up. They had no explosives, really?
Yeah, I was shooting the fuck out of them too.
Yeah, Jack.
Yeah, no,
Alright, let's go. Alright. No, whoa, come on, which way are we going?
Gas is closing in.
Come on, vibe, let's go. We gotta keep moving here. Maintaining the tree line?
Yeah. I feel like I'm playing on PC with how fast I'm fucking moving this slide.
Damn,
We should've coming up on the buy
22,000,
station.
30,000, and we can't fucking buy it. You hear that shooting, right?
Oh yeah, they're fighting over there. That's the only buy station though. That's the only buy station.
Let's loot these buildings. Maybe we'll get lucky and one of these will have a pizza box or a buy
Take your
station
time.
marker.
Take your time. Take your time. Be smooth.
They aren't even buildings. These are fucking little
Be
huts. It's been looted. Yeah, tree growing in the middle.
Get your ass.
Laying their vibe.
He ran up further. Stuff is life. I don't want it. I want a fucking throwable.
Oh, I can drop you a grenade. Oh, he's over the hill. He's over the hill. There's another one to your left, to your left.
Armor plate defenses. Finish them off.
He's broke.
Nothing. Vision. I mean, that'll do.
Oh shit, watch that.
You've got
Your
gas
weapons
inbound.
ammo is
Safe
replenished.
zone relocated.
There you are.
Woo, shit.
Friendly
Requesting
airstrike
airstrike.
on the way.
Target marked.
Oh yeah, look at
Fire.
this. Look at this.
Never mind. That was a clear screen, and he's gonna be dead. And look, his partner, and down he goes.
Under fire. Fill me up.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Toxic smoke grenade.
Smokies.
Mark the target.
Get him, Vibe. I know you seen him.
Here, kitty.
Stay in the town. Stay in the little building now.
Yeah. Hard right. We're gonna get in front of them.
Only a matter of time till we
Enemy marked.
Friendly precision airstrike inbound.
To your left along the wall.
Go right with him. They in a fight too with the people on the rocks on the right.
Gas
Lay behind me
moving in.
choking to my right.
25 left.
Vibe, I was about to yell at you. All them shots missed.
Hell no! Hell no! No, that jumping. Hell no! Oh shit!
anything in there for me?
Oh fuck! I don't want to do that. Ooh.
You got gas.
We got somebody still
That's
sniping to our left.
Damn.
Sniping to our left. Sniping to our left.
Be alright. Play it smooth. Play it smooth.
Damn gun.
Oh, he's along the wall.
Well, let's meet him there.
No. Stay on this side of the wall. Stay on this side. You'll be open, exposed to everybody.
Semtex out.
Oh shit.
Merciless with 12 kills. God damn.
Any plates or ammo?
No,
I
I'm good.
detected an increase in your speed.
I'm gonna throw this out just so we got it here.
Ammo here.
Alright, in that case then. Ooh, actually.
Fire into
Lethal
Down the
altogether.
roof. Down the roof.
Gas is closing. Get to the
He's hurt
safe
bad.
zone.
Oh, and the girlfriend's ready to get picked up. Ooh, oh yeah, Binge, we just need to hold on.
Oh, that guy
I need
is
to
so
find the
close
part.
to death.
Oh, Binge, come here. Crater.
I'm coming.
And so I kicked that guy out. Oh yeah, they're fucked.
Spotted me on the way. Oh, whoa, watch out, they're up the way. Up in front of us.
Want to jump down? Rotate back around? Because we got cover, they don't.
Shit. Watch out, there's one in front of us. There's one up here. Top of the plane, he jumped off. He's in a fight now.
Weapon hand.
Assist.
Searching for.
Another one back there. Don't run over there, stay back. Damn it, why'd you run over there?
Why do you move?
No!
You had the
We had
perfect
a good
cover.
position.
You waiting.
I know, I got greedy. I told him three fucking 2 teams left. Shit! I got greedy, I know. Oh. Man,
Gas is moving.
fuck, why did I do that?
I'm about to say, let them kill each other, then you go in
And I
and
had
sneak
to be-
kill.
I know.
There you go, top of the thing.
Yeah,
Damn
see, that
it. You
545 isn't hitting for me.
No. Wait.
He's gonna be on the left side of that bus bench. Yep. Yep, there you go. There you go! Bench, plate. Don't do it, plate. Yep. Take it home. Oh shit! Yeah! Take that shit!
Yo! Almost a fatal mistake at the end.
I was just fucking with you guys. I'm just
You're
fucking with
right. You're right. You know he was scared. She's like, oh snap.
Oh
Shit.
I get scavenger! What's wrong with you if I get scavenger? What the fuck?
Oh, shit.
Shit. I'll take survivor.
Wow.
Fuck that.
Fucking wow.
That's my first ranked win in a while, man.
God damn.